Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the unique kind of Antutu benchmark test in the Realme GT Neo 2 by keeping the phone inside the freezer. Yes friends, this is a question which has been requested by I think a few of my subscribers. Even I'm really curious to see how much the benchmarks can be improved if I try to do this kind of Antutu benchmark test by keeping the phone in the freezer. So that's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate. So first you should know what is the highest temperatures the phone can actually reach up to. The phone can actually reach up to 40 degrees as well, 40 degrees, 39 degrees. And 37 degrees you can see clearly in the Realme GT Neo 2. So these are the high temperatures the phone did reach. So let's see friends, using in the freezer whether the phone can actually keep any kind of low temperatures and give us any kind of better scores or not. So this exact position I'm trying to keep in the inside the freezer, you can see clearly. And right now the temperature inside is about close to 0 degrees Celsius at this point. I did remove the door, right? So that's the reason we are seeing less temperatures at this moment. But it was about 0 degrees and sometimes -1 and -2 as well. So right now I'm trying to keep the phone inside and I'm trying to start the Antutu benchmark test as well exactly. And let me try to start the Antutu benchmark test. So you can see the temperatures right now how much it is, 26 degrees Celsius. So outside when I tested the phone was about 30 degrees Celsius in the outside. But right now it's showing 26 when I try to keep the phone inside. So exactly in this position I'll try to keep the phone inside and then I'll try to come back again and then let's see how much the temperatures will be there after a certain amount of time. Maintain this device. So right now it's of 25 degrees Celsius on the outside is showing. And let's see the phone temperature, the fridge temperature, you can see fridge temperature is staying around 22 degrees. And the phone temperature is about 23 and 21 I'm detecting on the top of the phone. But let's see what will be the Antutu benchmark graph shows us what type of temperatures. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate. And I'm trying to check a couple of times as well what is happening with the temperatures. And you can see 23, 24 degrees, 22 degrees on the outside, not bad. Sometimes even 18 degrees as well. I think finally the Antutu benchmark test has been done successfully in the Realme GT Neo 2 and we should be able to see the results successfully. And right now the phone temperature on the outside is showing 24 degrees Celsius on the outside. And make sure to check the playlist for more information on the Realme GT Neo 2. And we got the scores, as you can see, final score 7,21,000 is the highest score we got right now. Not bad. The CPU reached up to 2 lakhs. The score of the CPU reached. That's another thing to note down. And the temperatures you can see clearly, friends, at the end of the test results, 28 degrees only. It increased, not bad. So these are when compared with the previous results, definitely there's a huge decrease in the temperature. Of course, using the freezer will decrease. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and let's stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.